Okay, so Victober's finally here, October 1st. I have spent the last 5 hours cleaning my house, so that's been great. I'm in desperate need of a shower, but I can't take one until my fiance gets back. Thank you, Songo. He is, taking the laundry out, going to the store quick, going to the storage unit, so I have to wait till he gets back. He can watch the kids, I can get in the tub. I'm very excited, that's my favorite place to read. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with my first book, which is The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson. I've never read it before. I've been meaning to. I got this copy from a good friend of mine months and months ago when she was moving. She had to get rid of a bunch of her books. That's also where I got the second book on my TBR, which is Dracula, that I'll be reading after this. But I figured I would start with this one. I think it's only like 160 pages maybe. So I figured it might be easy to kind of start off. Songo, I wish you would quit bumping my arm. Yeah, silly cat. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get started. Songo, is this your vlog? Is it your vlog now? Can you lay over here, please? Come here. Lay right here. Right here. There you go. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. Good girl. So I'm 10 pages in already. It's gonna be a super quick read, I think. My fiance's on his way home, so I should be able to get in the tub soon. So far it's just dialogue. They did mention the name Mr. Hyde, so I imagine that we'll be, introduced to him pretty soon. But yeah, we're gonna switch over to the tub. Alright, so change of plans. Instead of taking a bath, I decided that I was going to trip and fall while I was holding my daughter. And obviously I couldn't fling my arms out to save myself because I was holding her, so I went down very hard on my knees on the carpet and skinned my right knee pretty bad, so I have it up on a pillow right now with an ice pack on top of it, and I guess we're just gonna go ahead and read instead of taking a bath and reading. But it's fine. It's fine, we can do it right here. It's nighttime. I had my bath, keeping my knee out, obviously. I have, I think, 8 pages left of Jekyll and Hyde. When I said that it was 160, like 60 pages, I was wrong. It's 116, like 16 pages. And it's got a lot of pictures, like there's a bunch of pages that are just pictures, so it's not even that long. So really it's more like a novella, but it's a book, so I'm counting it. Alright, well, Jekyll and Hyde is done, so book 1 of VICTOBER is down, and I'm very tired, so I will wrap it up tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day, and I did finish The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson. Louis? I don't know. I thought it was really good. It was super short. It was a good boost for just the beginning of VICTOBER because it's the second day. Today is Friday, October 2nd, and I already have a book done, so that's really great, especially because I am starting Dracula now by Bram Stoker, and then I have, I believe, 4 books coming today, or 3 today and 1 tomorrow maybe, that I ordered for the rest of VICTOBER. So I'll probably do an unboxing of those later, but now I'm just going to be working on getting this video edited, reading Dracula, and then hopefully getting it uploaded before the end of the day for you guys. So anyway, tell me what you're reading for VICTOBER. I am noticing that there's not as many people participating as I thought maybe there would be, or maybe I'm just missing them. So if you're participating in VICTOBER, I really want to know. Please tell me down below, and you know, subscribe if you want to see more videos where I will be reading the rest of my VICTOBER TBR, unboxing books, hopefully reading more things, writing more things as the month goes on. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far. Have a great VICTOBER. Bye!